Wireless is a type of network connectivity that does not require physical cables. Instead, it transmits data using electromagnetic waves. An example are radio and also microwave connections. Wireless devices must operate in a specific frequency bands, each with an associated bandwidth. Frequency is the number of times a radio wave oscillates, goes up and down per second. Bandwidth, on the other hand, is the frequency range a band occupies. Wider means higher data capacity. Wireless high-power systems require licensing to avoid interference. Meanwhile, lower power systems does not need licensing, for example, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The first standard was released in 1997. It was the 802.11 standard. It was 1 megabits per second and 2.4 gigahertz. The second standard is released in 1999. It was 802.11b. It was this time 11 megabits per second. In the same year, we finally see 5G in 802.11, and this time it's 54 megabits per second. Then in 2003, the 802.11g is released. This time it's 54 megabits per second at also 2.4 gigahertz. This was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. This was the first chapter of the book Wi-Fi, the definitive guide. I'll make sure to post the next chapters as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.